Hello preps and welcome to our science lesson number 6, what plants need. We have been learning about the basic needs of living things, which include food and water. Scientists tell us if the basic needs of living things are not met, they cannot survive. In this lesson, we are going to talk about plants. As you already know, plants are living things. They need food, water, sunlight, air, but do they need shelter? We will discover that in today's lesson. Sometimes it is hard to make observations of plants to determine if they are living and whether their needs are being met. This is because plants do grow slowly, and some of this growth happens under the ground, where it is hard to observe. One way to find out about the needs of plants is to conduct investigations. Now, I want you to look at this next picture. What do you notice about the plants in this picture? How they are growing? That's right, they're growing towards the window because they are looking for light, because the light is coming through the window. What do you think would happen if the pot was turned away so the seedlings were facing away from the window? That's right, they would grow back towards the window again. What would the scientists say that this was showing us? That the plants have needs, and one of those needs is the sun, which gives them warmth and light. All living things need a place to live where their needs are being met. If a bird is in a tree and it eats all the food in that tree, or needs a drink, it can fly to another tree or a place where there is water. But plants can't do this. Plants need space to grow, and a space it needs to provide for its needs. Some animals are the same. A fish tank cannot swim away and find a new fish tank if its needs are not being met. Remember, animals need shelter to keep them safe from other animals and to protect them from the weather and let them rest if they need it. I wonder, do plants need a shelter? Many plants can grow outside without any special shelter. In the wild, some plants need shelter. For example, these ferns grow in the shade of these nice big trees. People can also provide shelter for some types of plants to protect them from very hot sun, from animals eating them, from the cold. Some plants even like to grow in the shelter of our homes. Where a plant lives is called its environment. The environment is everything including the air, other plants, the ground, the animals, the weather, the buildings. A plant's environment could be a pot, a garden, a farm, or a pond. It doesn't matter what sort of plant it is. It will only survive in its environment where it is growing if its needs are provided. What happens if a plant does not get any light? Look at this photo. We can see the yellow plants have got no light for 5 days. The green ones have got light. Wonder what would happen if they continue to have no light. I think they might die. What will happen if a plant receives no water at all? Look at these two plants. One has had no water, the other has had water. You can tell the one with no water has all shriveled up and has nearly died. The one that has had water is growing really healthy and strong. Now perhaps I would like you to go and in your book or to get a piece of paper and to draw on one side of the piece of paper a plant without some water or sun, what would happen to it? And on the other side, can you please draw me a plant that is really healthy, that gets all its needs met, has plenty of sun, plenty of water? Okay, I will see you next time. Bye.